Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at all your odd numbered problems for this section. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my n's to one side. So move my variables to one side. So I get negative 23 is equal to 5 plus 2n. And it doesn't make any difference. I could have subtracted both sides by n, but I added both sides to n to both sides. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to isolate my 2n by subtracting 5 from both sides. So I get negative 28 is equal to 2n. Divide both sides by 2, and I get n is equal to negative 14. Okay. And then problem 3, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to combine my like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 3a and my negative 5a. So how many a's does that give me? I have 3 a's and I'm taking away 5a, so that gives me negative 2a plus 2 is equal to negative 14. Isolate a, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I get negative 2a is equal to negative 16. Divide both sides by negative 2, and I get a is equal to 8. Okay. Question 5, I'm going to add 103 to both sides. And then I get 2h is equal to 110. Divide both sides by 2, so I get h is equal to 55. Okay. And then 7, so this question here is just simplifying. So I'm going to take my 1/3, I'm going to go ahead and do distributive property. So I end up with my 9 and my 1/3. So this is really 1/3 x times 9y. And then plus 1/3 x times negative 12. So that's really what we've done is we've distributed this. So my 3 and my 9 reduced to give me 3xy. And then my negative 12 and my 3 reduced to give me negative 4. So I have minus 4x. Okay. Question 9. Now what you should notice about question 9 is the fact that the negative sign of the negative 2/3. So it can be in the bottom. The same way would be if it was in the top. Or I could have had it outside, and it all means the same exact thing. So it doesn't make any difference where I put it. Okay. Now, here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the negative 2/3 by multiplying by a negative 3/2. Oops. So I'm multiplying by a negative 3/2 to both sides. So I get c minus 18 is equal to negative 21 over 2. Add 18 to both sides. And then I would need to find a common denominator. So this is negative 21 over 2. 18 is the same thing as 36 over 2. And then I'm taking my 36 and I'm subtracting 21. So I get 15. So I get 15/2 is equal to c. Okay. And then there was only 10 questions, so that is it for this problem set.